Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the screws and opening the case. This gives you access to the internals right away. Once the cover is off, remove batteries and inspect contacts for corrosion. Clean with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Make sure to note any displaced springs, snapped plastic posts, or visibly damaged traces on the PCB. If a spare battery door or small parts fall out, set them aside in a labeled cup so reassembly stays orderly. Next, use a multimeter to verify battery voltage at the contacts and check continuity of the IR LED and switch traces. This tells you what truly failed. If carbon pads are worn, either replace with a new keypad or apply conductive paint. If wires or joints are loose, reflow them with a low-wattage soldering iron. Clean rubber contacts gently because dirt blocks signals. Once repaired, temporarily power the remote and verify keypress outputs before closing the case. You reassemble the remote, aligning rubber pads and PCB, then tighten screws evenly so the case sits flush. This prevents new stress fractures. Once assembled, install fresh batteries and test every button, including device learn modes and macros, to confirm full functionality. If a specific function fails, replace the IR LED or perform a factory reset and reprogram codes. Troubleshooting tip: if signals are weak, test with a phone camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.